Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. This video will show you what diagnostic codes 61 through 66 mean and how to troubleshoot a gate that won't move. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. This video continues our series on troubleshooting LiftMaster gate operators. Begin by accessing the diagnostic display on the control board. Diagnostic codes 61 through 66 indicate that an entrapment protection device connected to the main board has been held for more than 3 minutes. The diagnostic code you see will vary by whether the input is for open or close, edge or eye, and main board or expansion board. The symptoms for this condition include a gate that won't move unless a constant pressure command is given to a 3-button station, KPW 250, KPW 5, or a button on the main board. On the control board, the input LED for the affected device will be lit. The LED on the entrapment protection device itself should change state. To resolve the issue, remove any obstruction from the path of the photoelectric sensor beam. Make sure the sensors are aligned and are not too far apart. Clean the front surface of all sensors and reflectors. Check for a good wiring connection by disconnecting and reconnecting. Be sure to confirm for the correct polarity. Once the problem has been resolved, the input LEDs on the control or expansion boards will go off. The diagnostic display will continue to show the code until the command is given to activate the gate. At this point, the gate should be functioning normally. If these steps don't resolve the issue, you may need to replace the entrapment protection device. When you finish servicing an operator, be sure to access the diagnostic code history and clear it. Thank you for choosing LiftMaster. Remember to visit us on the web at liftmaster.com or the dealer extranet.